We just completed our new build about a week ago. We've been living in this house for a full week tomorrow, and I swear my kids have been so much worse with messes. It seems like all I've been doing lately is cleaning this house. I walk up on messes like this literally all the time now. I literally cannot keep up with the messes in this house. It's like pure chaos. I'm so glad I picked up this vacuum cleaner from Target. It has been such a lifesaver. It's not going to last very long in my house because I use it all day long. But look at how easy it is. It just vacuums it right up. And I know I should have picked the cup and the straw up before, but there I go. Pick it up, toss it in the sink, go back, finish vacuuming, and then put it away and wait for the next mess. Yay!